Welcome to Bionics Scientific Technologies, a unit of Kartal Projects Pvt Limited. In this video, we showcase hospital incinerators, municipal waste incinerators, incinerators with 100 feet chimneys and portable incinerators, each engineered to meet specific disposal needs while ensuring safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. An incinerator is a high-temperature waste disposal system designed to safely destroy hazardous, biomedical, and municipal waste. Reducing waste volume and eliminating pathogens, incinerators play a critical role in hygienic waste management and environmental protection. Our 15 kg per hour hospital incinerator is engineered for safe, controlled, and efficient disposal of biomedical waste generated by hospitals, clinics, laboratories, and healthcare facilities. Key benefits: efficient destruction of infectious and hazardous biomedical waste, high temperature combustion for reduced emissions and odor control, improves hospital hygiene and infection control, reliable operation with low maintenance requirements, suitable for continuous daily waste disposal needs. Industrial waste incineration system, installation location, Korba on-site installation. Draft system, natural draft with optimized flue gas dispersion, temperature resistance, suitable for high temperature exhaust gases. Emission control ensures proper dispersion of flue gases to minimize ground level pollution. Portable incinerator is a compact, mobile waste disposal system designed for the safe and controlled burning of bio, medical, sanitary, or hazardous waste at the point of generation. Key features: compact and easy to move design, reduces waste volume significantly, low maintenance and user-friendly operations, suitable for on-site and emergency waste disposal. Key features: municipal waste incinerator, controlled high temperature combustion, significant reduction in waste volume, low emissions with environmental compliance, reliable continuous operation, supports hygienic and safe waste disposal, reduces landfill dependency.